What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video of amplifier, and this is a double DIN car amplifier, as you've seen that before too. And today I'm going to connect it to this bigger amplifier, and we're going to check it out how this thing works. So the point is, this thing is having like 400 watt and 500 watt amplifier. I made it for according my needs. So this thing on this side, this thing is having like 500 watt amp with a low pass filter. So whatever input signal we give to this side, the output would be only bass, no other highs and anything would be there, only bass. But on this side, this thing is having like straight 400 watt power amplifier, and this thing was connected to my Yamaha AV receiver and also connected to 12-inch Sony Explode subwoofer, a dedicated subwoofer. Though this is the straight connection, but still the bass would be much in there. But also we can hear the highs and the vocal a bit. So I cannot change the speakers right now, as I don't have any 2.0 or stereo speakers, bigger ones. Only I have the small ones that you have seen in another testing video with this amplifier. So you know how this thing works with those two speakers. That's the connector for the speaker connections. And now let me show you the RCA sockets are there. 4 sockets would be there, 2 right and 2 for left. So you can connect any other amplifier or subwoofer amplifier or anything using these two RCA sockets. And the nice thing is that you can control that amplifier sounds and all through this controller right here. So like in this amplifier, I just keep the volume like this, and then I can control everything, the volume, overall volume, and bass, treble and all from this amplifier. So that's the thing, and everything is connected. That's the one side amplifier, and that's another side. Here you can see the white and yellow. So this thing is turned on. Now let me turn this thing on, and we're gonna play some songs, and let's check the sound. As I told you, on this side there's the low pass filters right there, so the sound would be only bass, nothing else. But if I turn this side's volume, you can hear the vocal too. So as you can see, this side the LEDs are like blinking very bright, and this side is very low because, as I told you, this thing is having like low pass filter. So the more bass you provide to this channel, the more bright the lights are gonna be. But on this side, as this is a straight amplifier, so like it is taking highs and all are reflecting through the speaker output. That's why all the lights are blinking very bright. That's the point. That's why this thing is very low. But that's how you can connect any amplifier, power amplifier, or like other second amplifier or even subwoofer amplifier to your car stereo. So that's it. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and check out my other channels too. You'll find the links in the description below. So go there and check them out. So that's it. That's all for today. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.